Vodafone Smart for Macs, and let me show you how to find IMEI number on the following device. So at first, let's open the phone dialer and then enter the secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see here, you've got the IMEI number and also serial number for your device. So tap on OK to go back. And now let's go to the second method. At first, open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone, so the last icon. Now go to Status, scroll down a bit, and here you will notice IMEI number for your device, and also over here you've got the serial number. So that's it. This is how you can locate IMEI and serial number for your Vodafone Smart for Macs. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.